The watch industry has convinced us that price equals quality, but this could not be further from the truth in today's market. A $15 Citizen Eco-Drive watch delivers more practical benefits, better technology, and superior real-world performance than a $5,000 Rolex that relies on heritage and brand recognition rather than innovation. In this video, we are counting down the top 10 reasons why an affordable solar-powered watch absolutely destroys expensive luxury watches in every category that actually matters. While Rolex charges astronomical prices, Citizen continues pushing technological boundaries that actually improve real-world performance. Time costs the same regardless of how much you spend on the watch, but peace of mind, reliability, and practicality are priceless. Let's count down why smart buyers are choosing affordable alternatives that deliver superior value and genuine functionality over status symbols that drain wallets. Number 10. Solar Power Advantage. Over automatic winding. Starting our countdown at number 10 is the solar power advantage that Citizen Eco-Drive offers compared to Rolex's automatic winding technology. The Citizen watch charges from any light source, including artificial room light and sunlight. This means you never wind the watch or worry about power reserves. The watch charges throughout the day as you wear it. The battery stores energy for months if kept in darkness. You can literally set the watch down and forget about it. Rolex automatic watches require constant wearing to maintain power. If you take off a Rolex for a few days, the mainspring unwinds completely. You must manually wind it or wear it to restart the movement. This is incredibly inconvenient in modern daily life. The Citizen solar system is infinitely superior for practical use. Solar power represents genuine innovation that improves daily life. Rolex continues using 1950s technology that requires constant attention. The Eco-Drive charges while you sleep under bedside lamplight. Rolex owners must wind their watches or wear them to bed. Number 9. Maintenance costs that won't destroy your budget. At number 9 is the maintenance cost reality that separates affordable watches from luxury disasters. A Citizen Eco-Drive requires virtually no maintenance beyond normal wear. The movement is sealed and does not require servicing for decades. The battery lasts approximately 10 to 15 years between replacements. Battery replacement costs about $30 to $50 at most. You can walk into any jewelry store and have it done in minutes. Rolex watches require professional servicing every 5 to 7 years. Rolex service costs range from $800 to $2,000 per service. You must send it to authorized dealers, which takes weeks or months. The hairspring requires cleaning and adjustment regularly. The mainspring loses tension over time, requiring expensive restoration. Rolex simply does not tell you these costs up front. You buy a $5,000 watch and then pay thousands more in maintenance. A Citizen owner spends maybe $100 total in maintenance over 20 years. A Rolex owner spends thousands upon thousands keeping the watch functional. This is financial insanity that no rational person should accept. The Eco-Drive eliminates ongoing costs entirely. Number 8. No waiting for service appointments that take months. Coming in at number 8 is the service appointment nightmare that Rolex owners endure constantly. If your Rolex needs service, you contact an authorized dealer. They tell you appointments are booked 4 to 12 months in advance. You wait nearly a year before your watch is even looked at. Your expensive watch sits broken while you wait. The Citizen Eco-Drive almost never needs service. If it somehow breaks, you walk into any watch shop and get immediate attention. Most retailers can service it the same day. You are never without your watch for extended periods. Rolex has deliberately restricted service capacity to create artificial scarcity. This creates insane wait times that punish customers. They basically tell you to be grateful they eventually service your $5,000 watch. This is customer service at its absolute worst. The Citizen approach is practical and customer-focused. You get immediate attention and rapid service. You never face absurd wait times for maintenance. The Eco-Drive movement is simple and widely serviceable. Any watchmaker can maintain it without special training. Number 7. Water resistance that works in real-life situations. At number 7 is the water resistance that actually functions properly in real-world use. The Citizen EcoDrive is water resistant to 50 to 100 meters depending on the model. This handles swimming, snorkeling, and water activities easily. The seals function reliably for decades without degradation. You can wear it in the shower without hesitation. Saltwater swimming poses no problems for the watch. The water resistance rating is conservative and reliable. Rolex claims 100 meters water resistance on many models. However, Rolex requires you to have the watch tested annually. The crown must be checked and resealed regularly. The case back must be sealed by professionals. If you do not maintain the seals, water enters the case. Rolex charges hundreds of dollars for annual water resistance checks. This is absurd, because water resistance should simply work. The Citizen seals actually last decades without professional maintenance. You wear it swimming, and it works perfectly every time. Rolex essentially sells water resistance as a feature that requires constant servicing. This is deceptive marketing at its finest. Number 6. Design that actually evolves with modern technology. Taking number 6 is the design evolution that separates innovation from stagnation. Citizen continuously updates EcoDrive designs, incorporating modern aesthetics. The watch includes contemporary features like date complications and multiple functions. New models integrate modern materials and improved movements. The design language evolves while maintaining classic appeal. Citizen listens to what modern consumers actually want. Rolex has essentially unchanged designs dating back decades. The Submariner from 1960 looks basically identical to modern versions. This is tradition masquerading as timelessness. Rolex refuses to innovate because collectors pay premium prices for nostalgia. The company has deliberately stagnated design to maintain artificial exclusivity. New Rolex models are boring incremental updates of old designs. Modern consumers expect innovation, but Rolex charges more for less evolution. The Citizen watch feels contemporary and modern. It incorporates technology and design elements that feel current. The watch does not feel outdated or trapped in historical styling. Rolex watches often feel dated despite their high prices. The design language hasn't meaningfully progressed in 60 years. Number 5. Battery longevity that lasts for decades. At number 5 is battery longevity that transforms the ownership experience completely. The Citizen EcoDrive battery lasts 10 to 15 years typically. Some users report batteries lasting 20 years without problems. When the battery finally depletes, you simply replace it inexpensively. The watch then runs another decade plus with zero issues. The EcoDrive represents a multi-decade purchase of reliable function. Over 50 years, you might replace the battery 5 times, costing maybe $200 total. The watch simply works continuously without interruption. Rolex automatic watches require constant wearing or winding. The mainspring gradually loses tension even with servicing. The watch slowly loses accuracy and must be restored. No battery exists to replace, so you must service the entire movement. The movement degrades over time, requiring expensive restoration. A Rolex that stops running has major problems. The mainspring might break, requiring complete replacement. The balance wheel might need adjustment or replacement. A Rolex owner never has the simple option of replacing a battery. Instead, they face thousands in restoration costs. The Citizen owner never faces this nightmare. The battery powers the watch for years effortlessly. Number 4. Zero anxiety. About theft or loss, claiming number 4 is the peace of mind that comes from owning affordable watches. A Citizen EcoDrive costs $150. If lost or stolen, you replace it for the same price without financial pain. You wear the watch without anxiety about expensive loss. You take it anywhere without worrying about theft. You actually use and enjoy the watch daily. Rolex watches create constant low-level anxiety about loss. $5,000 watches attract thieves everywhere. You cannot leave a Rolex unattended in public safely. You worry about theft when traveling or at social events. You constantly think about where the watch is located. This anxiety is exhausting and prevents actual enjoyment. You bought an expensive watch that you are afraid to wear. This is completely backwards and illogical. Rolex owners often keep expensive watches locked away unworn. They buy watches to impress others, but never actually wear them. The watch becomes an investment rather than a wearable. This defeats the purpose of owning a watch. The citizen owner wears their watch confidently everywhere. There is no anxiety about loss or theft. You actually use the watch for its intended purpose. The watch improves your life rather than creating constant worry. Number 3. Accuracy. That rivals any luxury timepiece. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is accuracy that makes expensive movements irrelevant. The Citizen Eco Drive Quartz movement is accurate to plus or minus 10 seconds per year. This is extraordinarily reliable and consistent timing. The watch keeps better time than mechanical alternatives. You wear it daily knowing the time is accurate. Rolex automatic movements are accurate to plus or minus 5 to 8 seconds per day. This means the watch can lose or gain up to 40 seconds weekly. You must constantly adjust the watch to keep proper time. You cannot trust the Rolex to keep accurate time without adjustment. Expensive mechanical movements are inherently less accurate than quartz. This is basic physics that Rolex cannot overcome. The movement drifts and requires constant care. A $5,000 watch cannot keep time as well as a $150 watch. This fact alone completely destroys the value proposition. Why pay more for inferior timekeeping? Rolex markets mechanical watches as superior for lifestyle appeal. The mechanical movement is not superior for timekeeping accuracy. This is marketing deception presented as luxury. The citizen keeps time reliably without any adjustment needed. You set it once and trust it for months. Number 2. Practical innovation. Instead of tradition for tradition's sake, securing silver at number 2 is practical innovation that actually improves daily life. Citizen continuously innovates with eco-drive technology improvements. The solar cells become more efficient with each generation. The movement accuracy improves through advanced engineering. The watch incorporates features that modern users actually want. Citizen respects customer feedback and evolves accordingly. Rolex deliberately refuses innovation to maintain heritage appeal. The company markets tradition as superior to modern advancement. Rolex charges premium prices for refusing to innovate. The watch remains essentially unchanged from decades past. Rolex owners pay thousands to own yesterday's technology. This is tradition for tradition's sake without practical justification. Modern consumers want watches that incorporate current technology. Smart features, improved materials, and better movements matter. Rolex ignores these preferences to protect their brand identity. They charge more to own watches frozen in time. The citizen approach respects both heritage and progress. The watch maintains classic appeal while incorporating improvements. Number 1. Genuine value. That actually exists in today's world. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is genuine value that Rolex has completely abandoned. A Citizen Eco Drive at $150 delivers exceptional function and reliability. You get decades of flawless operation for minimal investment. The watch performs every function promised without hidden costs. You spend $150 and own it free and clear. A Rolex at $5,000 delivers equivalent timekeeping to a much cheaper watch. You pay thousands extra purely for brand recognition and status appeal. The watch requires constant expensive maintenance and service. You buy anxiety instead of enjoyment. The hidden costs multiply the actual purchase price. Genuine value means getting what you pay for. The citizen delivers everything promised at a fair price. No hidden costs, no long-term maintenance expenses, no anxiety. You actually use and enjoy the watch daily. The Rolex delivers a status symbol that costs thousands more than its practical value. The brand charges for history rather than innovation. Collectors admit paying above fair value for brand prestige. This is the opposite of genuine value. In today's world where technology improves constantly, expensive tradition becomes increasingly irrelevant.